Welcome back to today's morning report. Charles Perez is on Tuesday, the 12th of April, with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Handset Markets, looking at dollar yen now. And have we seen the bottom? It's very early days today to say that. No real sort of sustainable technical signals suggesting that we have seen a bottom. Yesterday's candle was fairly neutral, and I say fairly neutral considering sort of the bearish candles that we've had in recent days. Yesterday's candle was sort of not so bearish, although it was still lower. And today we've sort of followed that up by 20 ticks higher. It's so much more that has to happen. And I've shown this sort of downtrend channel, downtrend that has been broken. So that's a positive. But you've got some overhead resistance that continues to stay in place. You've got 108.50, which is this pivot level from Thursday, Friday last week, and then 109.10 being Friday's high. 109.10 being a big resistance as well. So those two levels, I think, are obviously on traders' minds. Certainly the latter being which would be a base pattern, but you're nowhere near that at the moment. You're just bumping along the bottom effectively, just unwinding all this technical momentum on the hourly chart, just sort of effectively just getting back to a level at which the selling pressure has come back in. MACD lines unwinding to neutral, RSI back to 60, stochastics are already just rolling over again, so it's not necessarily all that positive, certainly. But you would argue if there were to be a bit of buying pressure coming in, there's a fair bit of downside to unwind. So you could get a bit of gains, and as I said about that little sort of base pattern that you get on a move above 109.10, and you could see an unwinding move, but at the moment I'd say it's just bumping along the bottom and not to get too excited about a recovery. So just bear that in mind. But certainly for now, I'm not calling this as a rally quite yet. I think there's more technical overhead resistance that needs to be taken out before you can really go for that. In terms of your supports, you'd still say, well, 107.75, 107.60, and if you break 107.60, you're sort of then back towards sort of the targets of those big breakdown patterns, around 107 to 107.15. A couple of medium and long term targets suggesting that. So I'm still expecting that to be seen at some stage. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.